Okay, so let's take this filter for a spin. Let's apply it to some of the classic pieces of evidence that are often used to support that single tree of life model. And we'll start with a number that I bet you've heard before.
Yep, that one. The famous 98.5% genetic similarity between humans and chimpanzees. I mean, it's often presented as the ultimate slam dunk evidence that we share a recent common ancestor. But let's run it through the filter.
And here's the catch. Here's the context that often gets left out. That 98.5% number, it only comes from comparing the tiny sliver of our DNA that codes for proteins. We're talking less than 2% of the whole genome. So, what about the other 98%? According to synthetic chemist Dr. James Torr, this is where the whole thing just blows wide open. He points out that the other 98%, which people used to dismiss as junk DNA, is actually packed with critical information. And it's in that massive part of the genome, he argues, where you see these vast, profound differences between us and chimps.
Now, this same filter can be applied to other classic evidence too. Take the fossil record. It's not repeatable, it's indirect, and let's be honest, the interpretations can be really subjective. And what about those genetic comparisons? Well, according to this framework, they often fail that unstated assumptions test. Because to make sense of the data, you first have to assume common ancestry is true. That's a built-in assumption that kind of short-circuits the investigation.